What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. I'm out here doing my daily grounding with Lunabug. The sun is really bright and really intense the last few days here in California, so I'm taking advantage of that and coming out here and getting as much light on my skin as possible. Now obviously there's too much, you can overdo light, but what I've found is that if you follow the Dr. CASSAR'S skin cleaning solution protocol, if you clean your skin before you come out and do your sunbathing, you're not going to burn as easily. So what I've done is I've taken his skin cleaning solution, and I'll put links in the description box below to the exact I can't speak today, excuse me. I'll put links in the description box below to his video where he shows you how to make the skin cleaning solution. What I've done is I've modified it and I've made it a little bit cheaper, because at the time when I made my last bottle of it, I didn't have money for the living silica and a few of the other ingredients. So what I did is I just made the solution with baking soda, vodka, magnesium chloride and Soleil salt, and a little bit of diatomaceous earth, because diatomaceous earth is dirt cheap. And I get so much stuff off my skin with that solution. I've been using his skin cleaning solutions for, God, ever since one of his first videos about it came out years and years ago. And this is one of the keys. Your skin will feel so much better if you get the residues off of it, if you get the dirt and all the accumulated crap, the brake dust, the aerosols off your skin. Most people don't know what it's like to have really soft, supple skin that's breathing. Your skin is an organ that needs to breathe, and unfortunately here in the Matrix, our skin is plugged. So I'm not talking about, a lot of people, let's just put it this way, excuse me, a lot of people think that, oh, I'll just take a shower and wash my face and my body with soap. I'll get all the crap off with the soap. No, in my opinion, a lot of the soaps nowadays, at least the stuff on the supermarket shelves, those are Trojan horse weapon systems, and they even put stuff into your skin and residues onto your skin. So most of the stuff at the stores, folks, is not good quality stuff. They're basically industrial wastes that are being repackaged and sold to you as health products or food products, you name it. So, Luna, are you happy? Are you a happy girl? Get outside, ladies and gentlemen. Get out of your fucking New World Order kill pod, your home, and get some sun on your skin. You want to chase the ball? But I'll tell you what, most of you guys, well, I'm not sure how many of you have actually cleaned your skin with this particular solution. And I have a video on his solution already on my channel. I'll put a link in the description box below, but most of you guys have never experienced what light feels like on a body that's truly clean. I've said it once and I'll say it again. Your skin is like a window. And if windows are dirty, they don't let light in. When windows are clean, they let the light in. So let the light in. So light is crucial to human health, just like it's crucial to the ground beneath my feet, just like it's crucial to all these trees. Without light, things perish. Without light, the food doesn't grow. Everything's thrown out of alignment, and you're left with pretty much nothing. So getting your vitamin D levels checked might be a smart thing to do, because many people have abysmally low vitamin D levels. Now, in my opinion, and I've talked to naturopathic doctors who were medical doctors as well, and we kind of came to an agreement, at least the ones that I've talked to. If you go to a medical doctor, a typical MD, they will, and you ask for your vitamin D levels to be checked, the methodologies that they use to test your levels aren't as accurate as they should be. The same goes with magnesium tests and a handful of other micronutrient minerals tests, you name it. So long story short, I would suggest, if you have the money, go to a medical doctor who's also a naturopathic doctor. Lunabug, hey, and have a workup done. See what your magnesium levels are like. See what your iron levels are like. You name it. So we know through a lot of research that low vitamin D is linked to things like depression, low immunity, weak bones, brain fog, stunted growth. So vitamin D is intimately connected to immunity, to staying well. And that's why I've put it in my flu shield. My flu shield, I have a video about it. It's in the link. It's in the description box below. Hopefully I remember to put it there. If not, just let me know and I'll put it in there. My flu shield consists of vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. Zinc once a week, sometimes twice a week. So if you're interested in learning more, click the link in the flu shield link in the description box below. This protocol can be adhered to and adopted, or you can use it. You can get the materials. I got so much sun today earlier on my bike, and I worked my ass off today, so excuse me, and I'm a little underfed right now. So my verbal fluency is a little lacking, if you will. I need to recharge tonight and get some good sleep, but $10 for 500 tablets of ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C. Now obviously you can get better quality ascorbic acid, preferably the powder, but sometimes capsules are really easy with our hustle and bustle lives. So I got 500 tablets of 1 gram, 1,000 milligram ascorbic acid tablets for $9.99. I got vitamin D for, what was the last batch, the price? Lunabug, come here. Can't remember how much it was, but it was under $15. And it's got a little bit of vitamin K with it too, this recent batch. So vitamin D, vitamin K, or vitamin D with vitamin K, and the zinc's like $6. It's incredibly cheap. You have a pretty hefty supply for less than $40 that will get you through flu season. So we know through research that zinc makes it difficult for viruses to replicate in cells and in the body. Zinc is intimately connected to our immunity, and zinc, on top of that, we don't have the best zinc storage system in our body, folks, and that's why we need to constantly replenish our zinc levels through diet. So I would suggest in the colder months, focus on zinc, or at least eat a decent amount of zinc containing foods. So there's plant-based zinc, there's animal-based zinc. Some of the highest zinc foods are things like liver and oysters, beef liver. I believe cashews have some zinc in them. Chaga mushroom has zinc. There's a handful of them. Just do a little bit of research. But what I do is I take zinc once to twice a week with my flu shield protocol. There's even times where I take zinc more regularly than that, excuse me. But I don't like to recommend that because of how people can take things out of context. You got to do your own research and do what you think is best for you. But anytime you start talking about high dose zinc and taking it regularly, you get all the typical copy and paste style morons saying, oh, it's going to deplete your copper, and oh, it's so dangerous, blah, 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 blah. So there's a huge agenda, and I'm not saying it's not dangerous to take large amounts of zinc. All I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen, is that there is an agenda to make vitamins and minerals seem dangerous and non-effective. Dr. Abram Hoffer was privy to this years ago. Andrew Saul, a handful of people know that the medical establishment wants to push their drugs on you while making cheap, effective remedies look like they're just demonized. It's ridiculous. So we even know through, look at what they did to vitamin E. Look at how they've misrepresented vitamin E, the medical establishment. I have a paper that I shared today. A pop-up just showed up. I have a little write-up today from Abram Hoffer that I shared on my Patreon page about vitamin E and how it was totally misrepresented, excuse me. by the medical establishment. And that's just one of many vitamins, minerals, etc. that, in my opinion, there's a direct agenda to make it just seem like quackery. Like, oh, you take vitamins, what are you, a quack? It's just amazing, the monumental stupidity now in the Matrix. It's insane. So zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. Now, I prefer cholecalciferol, that form of vitamin D, and I prefer it with vitamin K, which we've gone over why in the past. But in my opinion, just getting outside, a lot of people think that, oh, you know, I get a lot of sun every day. Like, really, how much do you get? And do you get your whole body naked when you go out and sunbathe, or do you get completely naked? Most people get sun on their face, their neck, their arms, and their legs, and their feet. Just because you're outside doesn't mean you're just absorbing vitamin D or creating vitamin D, hormone D. And on top of that, a lot of you guys have really dirty skin because you've never actually used a stripper of sorts to really strip away the crap off your skin, which is why you need to do the Dr. CASSAR'S skin cleaning solution, so that when you go outside, the light can shine it through the window. Most of your guys' skin is like a dirty window. It's full of crap. Taking a shower doesn't get rid of that stuff. You need an alcohol-based stripper-style cleaning agent, which is why that solution works so absolutely well. Somebody recently said, oh, why do you use that, man? Why do you use alcohol in your skin? Well, you're mixing things with the alcohol. And alcohol is one of the greatest cleaning agents that we have access to. So I don't need to hear it. People love to bitch. People love to put all of the crappy soap and the garbage shampoos, hi Luna, and the fluoride-filled toothpaste in their mouth, and they love to eat their bullshit. But when it comes to putting a little bit of alcohol in their skin with some baking soda in it and some diatomaceous earth and some silica, oh my god, it's the end of the fucking world. So check out the links in the description box below. Get your vitamin D levels up. Get them checked. Eat zinc-rich food, and consider taking some whole foods vitamin C or some ascorbic acid. I'm not recommending that you do it. I have to say that to keep myself safe because we live in a crazy world. But I'm just sharing with you what works for me and what continues to work for me, as well as multiple others. Have a good day and peace be with you. I wanted to personally thank you for watching my videos and contributing to the growth of my channel. I could not do this without you, and your interest in my content is truly what motivates me and fuels my passion for making these videos and spreading my message. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I wanted to remind you that this channel is a free educational tool that is listener supported, and if you would like to donate to my channel and donate to my cause, help make my life a little bit easier and help keep the lights on around here, you can do so by checking out the links in the description box below. There's a handful of not only ways to donate to my channel, but I also have links to different websites and different videos of mine, as well as my Amazon store, where you can check out a plethora of different health-related products that I use and recommend. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your continued interest in my message, and until next time, peace be with you all.